맛있네. 맛있구나. 맛있잖아. 맛있거든? Do you also get confused in the use of these verb endings? Each of these verb endings are used in different situations. Let me explain for you. Okay, let's go. Adverb or verb stem plus 네요. 네요 are used to express feelings or surprise about some new information. The new information can be something the speaker found out from seeing, hearing, tasting, or smelling something. 오늘 날씨가 덥네요. The weather is hot today. 어때? 맛있어? How is it? Is it delicious? 맛있네. Oh, delicious. So, we use 네요 to show something is surprising. Adverb or verb stem plus 구나 or 군요. This is used when you are realizing something and surprised by that information. There is no real direct translation in English. 한이가 미국에서 왔구나. I didn't know that Honey is coming from America. 구나, casual ending. 이거 맛있군요. I didn't know before, but I just realized that this is delicious. 군요, formal ending. 어머, 땀파. 덥구나. Oh my god, look, you are sweating. You must be hot. 네요 versus 구나 or 군요. These two grammars are very similar, but they also have differences. 구나 or 군요 shows what you learned just now either from the other person or your own experience. With this grammar, you can repeat the info the other person said. This grammar shows your empathy to the other person's feelings. But 네요 shows what you realized just now first-handed, what you yourself see, hear, taste, smell, or feel. With this grammar, you can't repeat the info the other person said. 나 지금 괜찮아. 걱정 마. I'm fine now. Don't worry. Now B wants to say, oh, so now you are fine. B can't say, 괜찮네. Because in 네요 grammar, you can't repeat the info the other person said. B can say, 나 지금 괜찮아. 걱정 마. I'm fine now. Don't worry. 지금 괜찮구나. 다행이다. You are good now. That's a relief. Let's see another example. You go out from the house and see that the weather is good. Here, you can use both grammars because you have gained new information. 오늘 날씨가 좋구나. I didn't know before, but I just realized that the weather is nice today. 오늘 날씨가 좋네. I'm surprised. The weather is nice today. Verb stem plus 잖아요. 잖아요 in English means as you know or you know. We use this grammar in 3 cases. It indicates that both a speaker and a listener are aware of the fact or a topic. When the other person does not know or does not remember a certain fact, it is used to remind it. The speaker already advised the other person, but something bad happened because they did not listen to it. In this case, it is used to scold or rebuke them. 왜 이 가수를 좋아해? Why do you like this singer? 노래 너무 잘하잖아. As you know, he is so good at singing. 우리 내일 영화 보러 갈까요? Shall we go to see a movie tomorrow? 아니요, 저 내일 너무 바쁘잖아요. No, as you know, I'm so busy tomorrow. 아, 맞다. Oh, right. 나 오늘 늦게 일어났어. I woke up late today. 일찍 자라고 했잖아. I told you to go to bed early. In this case, it is used to scold or rebuke them. Adverb or verb stem plus 거든요. 거든요 is used to express a reason or some background explanation for something. So it is sort of like, let me tell you, or you know what? 왜 점심을 안 먹었어요? Why didn't you eat lunch? 아침을 너무 많이 먹었거든요. Because I ate too much in the morning. 사람들이 요즘 이 영화를 많이 봐. People are watching this movie a lot these days. 영화가 재미있거든? Because the movie is interesting. Actually, we use 거든요 when we want to refer to reasons or informations that only I know. But about 잖아요, we use 잖아요 when we want to refer to reasons or informations that speaker and listener both are know. Okay guys, this was today's lesson. I hope you like it. Bye!